wedding, Mo. So happy birthday. So Hyderabad. Hi guys, good morning. Superior reporting from Hyderabad. Yes guys, so today is the day we are going to explore Hyderabad, see new places, and you won't believe we rented a cab. Cab. So that we can go places, roam wherever we want. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. What is that? After all the biryani shared last night, Yakul to banta hai. Thank God I was smart. I didn't have that much biryani yesterday. Everything is very spicy here, guys. But what is there this side?
You have shopping malls, a lot of market, local market. You'll see vegetable markets and everything this side.
Natasha.
Sorry, I didn't see that. Scared me.
Yeah, she scared all of us.
Scared myself there. Sitting in pajama shorts.
I drive very smoothly, guys. You know that. My God.
Hey, look at the traffic.
Your flyover only, so much traffic. Better to go down only. So guys, now we are going to fill petrol first, and then later we have approx 40 minutes to our destination for lunch. And the traffic here is crazy. It's a lot. So we just reached Antera for lunch, and this is supposed to be some South Indian place. Yeah, it's a nice South Indian food. Not veg, non-veg too, guys.
Fishy.
Let's see if any fish is there. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Hey, nice. Wow. Beautiful place. Wow. It's actually so nice. Something different, no? We'll ask her now. We'll see where she's taking us. Because I want to sit at the sofa. I want to sit over there. You can't sit there. That's for 12 people. You like the place? You like the place?
Yes, I like it. Lovely. Very pretty.
First review bumper it seems. Nice bottle. So cute. You know guys. Thanks. You know guys, for the first time ordering food for Shreya is difficult too.
Because
it's normally difficult only for me.
Look at this. So out of all of this, the only thing I can read is butter chicken. Look at that. What does it mean? Just see. Can you even read this? Read this. They have military. Look at this. Military mutton pulao. Apparently they serve it in the military itself.
Very lame, but okay. So guys, now we are playing the pronunciation game, okay? Ulawacharu veg pulao.
I'm assuming the U is silent.
Ah,
Lavacharu.
Lavacharu.
I don't know.
If you are from Hyderabad, let us know who is right.
This is South Indian.
So now because Shreya can't understand anything, she's actually googling all the names,
No, not all the
looking at the pictures, and then deciding what to order. So now she saw some pachi pulu soup. It means soup.
Oh, it's a soup. Yes.
I was right. Pachi pulu soup is soup.
Before turning on the camera, you googled it before, so that's why you know it's soup. And you know it's soup because I told you it's soup.
Arey, that's what I told them. I showed them, and then I said it. Hey, क्या है?
कोरा मेनू चेपला वेब सर मोरेल फिश है सर ये कोरा मेनू चेपला वेब
Chicken kachu pakoda. So now I'm trying the fish. It's nice and soft. Now I'm trying the chicken kaju pakoda. There's actually kajus there. See, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, kajus. Deep fried kajus. More like popcorn, chicken popcorn. So this is mutton dum biryani. This is Bagara rice, dal cha mutton. I thought it is dal and mutton. But maybe it could be. That's what Shreya is saying. I just hope it's not spicy. That's my only fear over here. God have mercy. It's not spicy. It's nice. It has so much flavor. It's nice. Okay guys, so we just had some yummy lunch. And now it's time for dessert. We ordered some bubatala with jaggery ice cream.
That's not what it is.
Fail. But you'll ask the fellow what happened.
Googled his place.
Yeah, I'll give you a Google review. You give me 1 subscriber, YouTube subscriber. Okay, done.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है
Food was good. Everything was nice. You want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Say hi to them. Say hi. Say hi. Thank you. Coconut and coffee. More like coconut and coffee. But it tastes nice. Coffee that Goan dish or
Is that like
coffee
it's
cakes.
coconut?
Oh, it's nice and hot. This is like patodi.
Really?
Taste it.
It's not patol. Oh my god, what is that Marathi dim man?
Tepla.
Oh, you're like Gujarati.
You all think about whatever it is. I'm enjoying.
Puran poli. It's
What?
bloody Puran poli. It's a Puran poli.
Simply pulli.
It's a Puran poli. I
But
swear.
actually, it's like Puran Puli, guys.
no?
They're gonna guess the bill. I'm saying around 3.8.
3.8. 4.5.
Dub. No, let it be. We won't pay. Let it be. Okay, guys.
Oh shit.
The bill was 3,300 and something, and Natasha got a good discount of 2,685. Thanks to Natasha. If you want to travel anywhere, guys, get good discount. Contact Natasha. She'll help you. So we're just done with some yummy food. Yummy, I mean it, guys. And now we are off to Charminar. That is, I believe, old Hyderabad, 1 hour from here. We're at Jubilee Hills. If you are in Hyderabad, do come here at least once and try it. The food is lovely. And don't forget about the Puran Puris. Yes. So guys, we have 48 minutes and a lot of traffic. A lot. I think I'm going to go to sleep now. So see you all directly there. Hyderabad and traffic. Everywhere there's traffic only here. Guys, after I think almost 2 hours, we finally reached Charminar. It kept showing 40 minutes, but it was not reducing the time. The traffic is so much in Hyderabad. I don't know, maybe I'm a bit too late. It is 7:09. Little late, but I mean, you can always shop anytime. So Natasha is not coming because she's tired. She's very tired. It's him. She drove for more than at least 2 hours, like I said. This is like we have come to Dubai or somewhere. No, just look at it like Dubai. What is this? My God, they're playing carom inside. Oh my God, guys, they're just playing carom inside. Bhai, wo kya hai? Pepper? Fish. Wait, wo? Either that is a mince or something. Good is telling me kachara. So now we are come to buy bangles. We're actually searching for Mama because you know Mama and the bling bling, she likes bangles. She has some good collection, no, but girls, if you all want to go shopping, bangle shopping, you know where to come. Come to Charminar. Really, there's a lot of bangles. So now we called Mama
Like, show properly.
because we want to buy bangles for her. And now Mama is showing her hand over there. She's showing her hand so that he can pick the size. The bangle hunt is still going on. Mama is picking so much. Just look at this. Mama picked all this. But we gotta buy for Mama dearest, you know. Guys, it's that time after shopping where we all stress. Bhaiya, please, हमारा चेहरा देखिए एक बार. Please, देखिए हमारा चेहरा.
देख लिया हमने.
Please, I thought we were just window shopping. Go to see. पूरा घर बसा दिया हम लोग ने. Guys, done. After 45 minutes, we are finally leaving. After calling Mama, we ended up buying so much. And yeah. चलो भाई लोग, मिलेंगे. Thank you. Whenever you visit here, whenever you come, in fact, do visit this shop. And then show them my video and tell them you're here to Just Peaks. They'll be happy for sure. And they'll give you a good discount. I know that. Shreya doing her thing. Oh yeah. You know, there's so many bangle shops, clothes shops. You know, I just feel like there's so much more here. And we just got stuck at one shop. Fast Track Watch. There's a lot to shop here, but this is so beautiful. This is Charminar, guys. This is more on the old Hyderabad, it's called. And there's a lot to shop here, a lot. This place is heaven for girls because there's so much shop from bangles, some clothes, Slippers. You got any good slippers? I was searching for y'all too, but then I said let it be. Y'all roam, I'll roam. Wanna try one pani puri? Just one. Go for it, go for it, go for it. How was it? Spicy? Meeta ne? So apparently they don't have meeta pani here. I need to know, tell me that. Okay guys, follow me, follow me. Let's go, follow the leader, come on. Come on, come on, I'm your guide for today, come on.
Yes, guys. No, no. Excuse me, please. Yes, come on. Guys, follow me, guys. No, really, no. That's right, yeah, guys. Look at this side, whoa. Come on, guys, follow me.
Yes, brother. No, no, brother already took. Thank you.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Harmony ka दिखाओ. So Shreya was very curious to know how he knows all this by heart. Then we just tilted a bit and we saw everything written behind. So now we are done, we left. We are walking towards Natasha, but we can't find her because searching for parking and we are tired. So much noise pollution, everybody just honking, pepe, papa, papa, pepe, pepe, papa, papa. Tipo, Natasha, tipo. Guys, we finally found her after searching for I think around 25 minutes or 30 minutes. We walked a lot. Guys, if you're coming to Charminar, I would say come around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Come early. But overall it was nice. I love this place. I liked it because a lot of street shopping and the people also are quite nice here. Everybody's friendly. So guys, while we were traveling, I happened to see bun maska and I like bun maska. So I said why not try. क्या है? खजूर. ये क्या है?
पाया शेरवा
Basically paya soup.
पाया सो वेरी गुड
Oh, lovely.
टाइट पकड़ो गिर जाएगा
Guys, so since we stopped for bun maska, we ended up having chai. And the chai here is magic. Time to try the bun maska.
Why is it called bun maska and maska bun?
So maska bun, guys, sorry. Wow. You go, girl. So good. What is in that?
Milk.
भैया 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 इसमें क्या है मिल्क अरे lovely correct huh? Okay guys, so we drove 40 minutes because Natasha wanted to visit Fresh Bakes. In fact, she wanted to buy Kit Kat, so she came to buy Kit Kat here all the way. We drove 40 minutes. This is 7 Tomes Shake Pit. This is very far. I was telling them that we drove 40 minutes just to buy Kit Kat.
I'm sad.
They don't have Kit Kat?
They don't have a lot of variety, but they do have some.
Uh-oh. Oh, biscuit spread. Okay, take this. You take this for you. Let's go, guys. Price? It's fresh baked, no? That's why. Just freshly baked. Take care, we'll do it. Okay, whatever you want. Anybody wants lasoon, adrak, anything, tell us. Oh, you all want walnuts, guys, brains. You want pista. You want kismis, khajur. Such cute little biscuits. Trolley time, guys. My god.
Everything besides Kit Kat.
Everything besides Kit Kat. It's one big roti, guys. It's bigger than your face. Bigger than your face too. ये क्या भैया? Garlic toast.
Very nice.
ये कौन सा? Almond stick. अच्छा एक एक ट्राई करने को दे रहा है. इधर ही पेट भर रहा है. Very nice भैया. पालक खारी. आप तो आज पेट भर के भेजेगा हम लोगों को घर. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, driver change. It's your boy Pete's now. Yeah, because our driver is very tired. Sam ke trained. So now we are off to Ramita. Where are we going?
Secretariat.
Yeah, that's a beautiful place. I can't wait to show you guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are, you know what to do. Hit the like button right now and subscribe if you didn't. Now, Zara, of course I will not. All monks for you always. For now, hit the like button and subscribe. Until then, let's enjoy Hyderabad together. Guys, so this is Secretariat at Hyderabad and it looks so beautiful. I'm trying to go and get a good shot so that I can show you all how it looks. I hope you guys like what you saw, and I wasn't actually expecting it to be so beautiful, but it is. It looks so nice. I mean, wow. Hello. Thank you guys. See you. Yes, yes.
हैदराबाद आना हैदराबाद देखना
And thank you. मिलेंगे भाई लोग. Okay guys, so we just stopped in front of the Secretariat at this beautiful place called Hussain Sagar. Right now you can't see much, but I'm sure during the day it is beautiful. The Indian flag is there. If I zoom in, you won't be able to see right now, but look at these people. Already going to eat momos. Nice, but it doesn't taste like chicken.
What kawa?
Just Pete spreading moog everywhere he goes. So now if they get lost, I know how to find them. Whose birthday it is? Yo, bro, happy birthday. Thank you, bro. God bless you. All the best. Bro, what's your name? Shrikant. Happy birthday, Shrikant. God bless you. In case you guys are wondering how we'll take the balloons back home, here's your answer. It's a birthday car. Jazz Speed's doing Jazz Speed things in Hyderabad along with the gang. Alright guys, it's the end of this video and it is 2:12 AM. We just dropped off the car, got home and I'm super tired. I mean, I don't know if you can make out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share it with your friends and family. And guys, we are putting a lot of efforts, we are doing as much as we can, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you do, hit the like button, do comment, and do let me know which is your favorite part, what you like and what would you want to see more. Yes guys, so don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Peter Dye signing off. All mooks for y'all.